Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean, welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. Today I just want to make a nice video, a nice appreciation video. I just want to say thank you to all the subscribers that subscribe to the channel. Thank you for allowing me to reach 1,000 plus subscribers. I think I'm at 1,009 subscribers now, so it's really good. I really appreciate it. So I just want to thank you for that. Without you guys, it would be boring, I would say, doing YouTube. I'm extremely busy, but I'm getting a couple of days now so free, so I'm going to make a couple more videos this Wednesday and Thursday. I'll be uploading videos. I'll definitely be talking about some interesting topics, just like the last topics that I talked about. So reaching 1,000 subscribers is really good, because I've asked for people to subscribe so I can reach 1,000, and then I need actually 4,000 watch hours to start earning back on YouTube. So apart from reaching 1,000 subscribers, I still need to reach 4,000 watch hours to actually start earning from YouTube again. Apart from that, I still have the Gofundme, where I still need the camera for better quality shots. I've said that a million and one times already, and I still haven't reached there. I'm still taking care of stuff, still trying to get myself settled, still trying to save for rent and stuff like that, important stuff that people do on an everyday basis. So yes, and I'm not earning from social media anymore, YouTube anymore, so real life, you have to take care of real life stuff first before you can actually do certain things like make up the money to buy a camera. So apart from seeking a donation, people would say, why don't you buy a camera? But when you have important things to do, when you live on your own, when you have to be an adult, then you have to ensure that you do adult stuff and take care of the important stuff first. And not to say that YouTube is not important. Yes, it is important, but to live somewhere and have a roof over your head is equally important, or of greater importance than just YouTube, because you're not earning from it. So you need to take care of the important stuff. But apart from that, I just want to say thank you very much. It's been a journey. It's been almost 3 years. I think I'd have to check back to see when I started making videos, and I have over 300 videos on the channel and 1,000 plus subscribers. So that is really good for 1,000 people to be subscribe to my channel and following me, or even know about me. I'm not famous or anything, but I just really appreciate that. And people seem to really like the videos that I put out, especially the ones about Jamaica and all those stuff. People really seem to be interested in that, or even if I share my views with certain topics, people really appreciate that. So I just want to say thank you to everybody that tuned in. Thank you guys for supporting me. Even though I don't upload as often, it really means a lot to me that you guys are still here, and I'm just trying to show my appreciation and say thank you very much for that. So to all the future gingerbread and jelly bean, stay tuned, welcome to the channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So just tune in, enjoy, interact, comment, speak your mind, feel free, and yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. So how do you do the heart? You can't make the heart with one hand, but it's like the heart is like so weird. Anyway, I can't make it because I have the camera in my hand. It's like, alright, you guys join. You guys join the next part of the heart. See? This part go like this, and you guys have to join the next part. Alright, so just kinda have that imagination, join the boom face. Alright, boom face. Let's high five then. High five, hey, 1,000. Or boom face 1,000. With the general them. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. Thanks for watching JVLOGS again. I'm out.